So this is the rear corner of the rear surround, and it has two pieces. Most Smyth kits have only one, which is the brace. If you take a look at these two pieces, this one slides in alongside. On the Smyth Jeep kit, this plate is behind the lip where the old gasket was and slides forward underneath the gasket area, and then this top piece goes behind this flat area here. This is the rear corner support, and you can see where this mounts on the vertical side of the kit. So you take this piece in here, you slide it along underneath, and the finished brace, if you will, mounts, and this reinforces the corner. You're going to put a bolt through there into the wall. If you mount it up high, it's not visible from the bed itself. So this corner that you see here, that's how the corner goes together. This is what makes it so strong compared to the other Smyth kits where this one's going to hit off-roading. We figured we'd brace this corner in and make sure it was strong enough. So the inner brace to the inside, and then the B-pillar brace, which is our normal part.